8:23 on your Wednesday. We've been tracking some showers this morning, and obviously we saw one just a few minutes ago in Vasi Prokos's live shot in Richmond. You can see the radar obviously lighting up. There's that slow moving downpour right over Richmond right now, so that would impact your morning drive as kids are obviously heading to school, and many of you are on the way to work here soon. It'll be moving out of Richmond within the next 10 minutes, all right, and it'll be out of there. Some showers in Powell County, Menifee County too, and some of this is heavier just off to the south here of the Mountain Parkway. A scattering of some showers across Lee County this morning, some sprinkles toward Wolfe County. Back off to the west, some additional showers here. This is back west and southwest of Lancaster. Everything's moving basically west to east this morning ahead of a cold front. Some spotty light showers, and in some cases this may just be some sprinkles as we get down into Casey and Lincoln counties. Farther south into Wayne County, western Pulaski, some lighter rain showing up there too. Now, it's all because of a front coming in. We mentioned that a moment ago. Here comes the wall of water toward the camera at the Mann dealership, which is on the east side of Richmond. You can see how the sky is lighter here, but here comes the darkening cloud. So that's that heavier burst of rain that's coming. You can see the pavement getting more damp, and that's reducing the visibility to a temperature there of 73. A lot of low to mid 70s across the state with increased clouds across the region. Temperatures not going to get as hot today. Here comes the front. Likely the best chance for showers and storms is going to be from basically where they are now, central and into eastern and southern Kentucky. Just the placement of the front, likely not the best for everybody to get in on the mix of some rain. It does show signs that it starts to slow down a bit, so even into the evening, some scattered showers not out of the question. Now, overnight, a few showers, but the coverage is going down tonight. Tomorrow, the front works its way south, so while there will likely be a few more downpours on Thursday, most of those will be likely in southern Kentucky, just near or ahead of the front. And then by Friday, it's back to more of a typical summer pattern where it's hot, it's humid, and you may get a stray shower in your neck of the woods, but many of us are dry at that point. That's the pattern we go back to into the weekend. Scattered showers and storms today, mid and upper 80s, so not as hot, but it is still plenty humid. You can feel the humidity today ahead of that cold front. A chance for some lingering showers tonight. Again, most are dry. And then out in the tropics, we're tracking Tropical Storm Erin, expected to strengthen into a hurricane in the next couple of days and then work its way north of the Caribbean. That's the track now by early next week. We'll keep an eye on it. But our next big thing is it getting hotter as we get into the weekend. Hotter, but also returning to mainly dry conditions on Saturday and Sunday as that high is almost over top of us here in Kentucky. 7-day forecast reflects lower rain chances tomorrow. Not dry, totally dry, but a lower chance, lower than that on Friday. And as the rain chances are going down, the temperatures are going up into next week, still in the 90s. But I see some relief, Krista, by the middle and end of next week. Fingers crossed that front gets on in here.